Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will show you how to fix Android phone blue screen. Android is undoubtedly one of the best smartphone platforms, but it also has its own little problems. Have you ever encountered an Android phone screen as blue? This problem is often called Android phone blue screen of death, which will cause your phone to become unresponsive and unusable. If the screen is turning blue on Android phone, it may have a little impact on your life because you can't use your Android device to do anything. But don't worry too much, you can follow some methods to fix the Android phone screen blue tint problem. This video is applicable to mobile phone models including Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. Please watch this video patiently, I believe it will help you solve the Android phone blue screen issue. What causes Android phone blue screen? There are many reasons why Android phone turn to a light blue screen. For example, system error, the operating system files of the Android phone are damaged or the update fails. Insufficient storage space, insufficient available storage space in the Android device may also cause the Android phone screen goes blue. App compatibility issues, incompatible or malicious third-party apps interfere with Android device processes. Phone overheating, overheating can also cause Android device instability and Android phone blue screen. Hardware issues, faulty display, motherboard, and other hardware can cause Android phone blue screen. So, what are some ways to get rid of the blue screen on Android phone? Before you go to a repair center or replace your phone, you can try to solve the problem yourself according to this video steps. We have summarized 7 solutions for how to fix blue screen on Android phone. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to force restart your Android device. One of the most basic and effective solutions when Android phone has a blue screen is to force restart your Android device. Force restarting a device can clear temporary errors and reset all processes. This is a simple but often overlooked way to fix blue patchy phone screen problems. To force restart an Android phone, long press the combination of the phone's force restart keys. The combination of the Samsung phone force restart keys in the video is the power button and the volume down button. Please press and hold the combination of your phone's force restart keys for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone brand logo appears on the screen, you can let go, and your phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently for the Android phone to restart. After the restart is completed, your Android phone will turn on normally and enter the home screen, and the problem of seeing blue screen on Android phone will be solved. Method 2 is to remove the battery from the phone. Many users suggest that removing the battery and reinstalling it can fix Android phone blue screen of death. It sounds simple, but it often works. Not all Android devices allow you to remove the battery. If you have such a device, you can also wait for the phone to run out of power and then charge the phone again to turn on the Android phone normally. Method 3 is to reinsert the SIM card and SD card. SIM cards and SD cards are common add-ons for most users, but they can sometimes cause system problems. Therefore, the problem of Android phone screen becomes blue may be caused by problems with the SIM card or SD card. Removing and reinserting these cards can help solve the problem. Please remove them from the tray, then put them back and install the tray correctly. After that, see if the Android phone blue screen problem still exists. Method 4 is to enter safe mode. If you don't know if a third-party app is the cause of your Android phone screen turns blue, entering safe mode can tell you the answer. Safe mode runs your Android phone without any third-party apps. It only runs apps that come pre-installed on your Android device, so you can determine if a third-party app is the culprit. Here are the steps to enter safe mode. First, make sure your Android phone is off. Then, press and hold the power button. When the phone logo appears on the screen, release the power button and press and hold the volume down button. If done correctly, your Android phone should turn on and safe mode will appear in the lower left corner of the screen. If you enter safe mode normally and can use your phone normally for a long time, then find and delete the problematic third-party app. To exit safe mode, just restart your phone. Method 5 is to update your Android version. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues and system crashes. If the blue screen of death problem is caused by an operating system error, then updating your phone to the latest Android operating system will be a good way to fix blue screen issues on Android devices. Please tap Settings, find System and tap to enter the system interface, and then tap Software Update or System Update. Here you can see if there are any pending system updates. If there are, install them immediately. After that, wait for the installation update to complete. Your phone may restart automatically. Please continue to wait patiently. After waiting for all the work to be completed, the Android phone blue screen issue will no longer exist. Method 6 is to enter the recovery mode to restore factory settings. If the above methods do not work, you can try to reset your phone to factory default settings. Factory reset is the last resort and in most cases, it can solve the problem. Before getting rid of the blue screen of death on Android phone, please do not forget to back up the data you need. Because factory reset will delete all data and settings on the phone, please keep in mind. Next, follow the steps below to enter the Android phone recovery mode to restore factory settings. Please connect your phone to the computer using a USB cable, then make sure your phone is turned off and wait for at least 30 seconds. After that, please press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. Do not let go during this period. In Android recovery mode, use the volume down button to select the wipe data/factory reset option and press the power button to confirm. After that, use the volume down button again to select the factory reset and use the power button to select the yes option to confirm. The reset process will be triggered and it will only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. Once it is done, it will take you back to the same recovery mode. After that, use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Once completed, the Android device blue screen problem will disappear and your Android device will be able to be used normally. Finally, retransfer the backed up data to the Android phone. Method 7 is to seek help from a repairman. If the how to fix blue screen of death on Android phone problem still exists, it may be a hardware problem. Hardware problems can be complicated. Trying to fix the problem without the right expertise may cause additional damage. Seeking help from an authorized service center is the best option. That's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also tell us your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Good luck.